Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Voss Predictor indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Voss Predictor indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 67 different strategies, with 18 of them being profitable. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. That is the strategy that we have developed here on the channel. I'll put a video or a thumbnail of it up right now on the screen and link to it up in the corner. If you're looking for a strategy that is proven to be profitable and that we are constantly optimizing, testing on other markets, and improving upon, then I highly recommend you check that one out. I'll also link to it at the end of this video. We've also tested a total of 879 indicators, with 370 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 67 of the winning indicators. 26 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Voss Predictor indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so in the original testing, this did, I believe it was 12 trades within the 1 year's time, somewhere around a 60% win rate. I forgot to mark it down right offhand. So we did keep this on the daily time frame, and so the stop and take profit was the default stop and take profit on this particular pair. All right, I went ahead and drug that take profit and stop here on screen so that way everybody knows what we're working with here. So like I said, the default take profit and stop there. The original win rate was a 66% with 12 trades in the 1 year's time. So like I said, we did leave this on the daily time frame. In the original testing, what we were looking for was, first and foremost, was the color of the dots here running down the middle of this indicator. And so when the dots were red, then we are looking for short trades. When the dots are green, we are looking for long trades. And so the next step that we were looking for was the cross of this line here below. So the green and red line, I guess I should say, crossing down below the gray line. And so When we are looking for the shorts there, we are looking for that cross to the downside. When the dots are green, we're looking for the longs. We're looking for that cross of that green and red line to the upside of the gray or white light colored line there. And so, for example, right here we have our dots in the red coloration there, and we get the cross where the green line here crosses down below that grayish light color line right there. That would be a short trade, and you can see that we get a nice push to the downside there. That one would have gotten us to our take profit. Over here on this side, we are looking at the green dots right here, which means we're looking for a long. And right here, we get a cross where that reddish color line there crosses up above the light colored line there. Get a little bit of a push to the upside, not a huge one. Looks like we did get to our take profit though. And so that's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it in this advanced testing. So before we take a look at what it was able to achieve in the advanced testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators and just general trading knowledge kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool. And I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The last video that I did was on the best day trading strategy that we have created. It is a very profitable strategy. This video was on the Forex market, but I also have a video where we've tested it on the crypto market as well. In that video, I obviously show the indicators that we use, which are the private indicators that we have developed. And I've actually created a guide around that particular strategy, as you can see right here. Again, go back and watch that video if you are interested. But this guide basically contains the links to the private coded indicators that I was talking about. Big shout out to Mike from Upright Trading for coding those indicators for us. It also has the optimized settings of the particular indicators. It has the list of the specific markets and pairs or coins, as well as the different time frames that the strategies that the strategy works on, as well as just general optimization tips. And so as I am testing this strategy on different markets and different pairs, different time frames, and so on, I'll be constantly updating this guide and putting it out for everyone, pinned in the Patreon only channel for our patrons to have easy access to understanding what the strategy works on, how it specifically works, and the optimization of everything. So a bunch of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the advanced test here. All right, so we did 50 trades like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we've got 26 winning trades. We've got 24 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 52% win rate. So we had a reasonable drop from that 66% we got in the original with the 1 year of testing. And so this indicator, I think, has its place. I think it would do all right, kind of gauging. I forget what other indicators have this kind of set up like this, where it has the dots running down the middle that we're looking for the coloration, kind of indicating the overall trend. The dots itself seem to do reasonably well, kind of catching the trend. And then the lines, I think, maybe could be dialed in a little bit more. I don't think it's a horrible indicator. I think it definitely could be useful, maybe as a filter, confirmation, something like that. But for our purposes right now, it's not going to work. So it's going to go on the no list. And we'll move on to the next indicator from here.